Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect H&R Block software to your tax documents. Beginner guide step. To connect H&R Block software to your tax documents, start by launching the H&R Block software. From the main dashboard, select the option to begin a new tax return. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your name, address, and social security number as requested. Once you complete this section, click on the option to proceed to upload documents. Locate the section that allows you to connect your tax documents. You may see options for importing documents from different financial institutions or uploading files directly. If you choose to upload files, select the Upload button and navigate to where your tax documents are saved. Select the documents you need, including W-2s, 1099s, and any other relevant forms. Make sure your files are in an acceptable format, such as PDF or JPEG. Once your documents are selected, confirm the upload by clicking on the Open or Upload button. The software will display a preview of the uploaded documents for your review. Check that all the information appears correct and readable. If everything looks good, click on the option to confirm or continue. If you decide to import documents directly from a financial institution, follow the prompts to log into your account securely. Select the specific documents you wish to import and authorize the connection. After the import process is complete, review the imported information for accuracy. Once you have all your documents connected, continue through the software to enter any additional tax-related information. Make sure you save your progress frequently as you work. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the filing section. Finalize your return and check for any errors or missing information before submitting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.